Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn a very famous English drama, Rising of the Moon, written by Lady Gregory, who was born in 1852 and died in 1932. She was the Irish dramatist, folklorist, and the theatre manager. She has written so many wonderful plays like The Rising of the Moon in 1903, which we are going to study this year, Spreading the News in 1904, and Macduff's Wife in 1913. The play Rising of the Moon has four characters. Sergeant, who is a police officer searching for the escaped prisoner. The Ragged Man, who is a ballad singer and the escaped prisoner as well. Policeman B, which is the minor character who, along with another character, that is Policeman X, is on duty to find the escaped prisoner with the sergeant. This play is politically motivated one-act play. A story is about how a ballad singer who is disguised a revolutionary hero of Ireland changed a sergeant, a loyal worker of English government. The play begins with a sergeant and two policemen pasting a notice or a placard with details of escaped prisoner. The sergeant suggests that they must put up the notice on barrel and this place must be watched because there is every chance the prisoner's friend could come and help him with boat to get away to some safe place. The man whom they are searching was not an ordinary man. He is a political figure, and the government has announced £100 reward to the policeman who captures him, and also will get promotion. The three of them knew that if they capture him, the people will abuse them because he was a political hero. He was a nationalist. But the sergeant says that they were only doing their duties. The sergeant sends the two policemen to other places to put up some more placards, and he sees a ragged man comes up. Here is the entry of another character, the ragged man. He introduces himself as Irish ballad singer, and he has come to the harbour to sell some ballads to the sailor. But he was none other than the Irish nationalist who has escaped from the jail. He also gives Sergeant a few ballads and starts singing one of it, which is about a rich farmer's daughter who fell in love with Scottish soldier. The sergeant was not happy and orders him away. The ragged man then looks at the placard and tells that he knew this wanted man. He is very dangerous and know how to use every weapon. He is very strong and also killed one sergeant with stone. He will be upon this sergeant before he knew. But the man also said that he is ready to help the sergeant and he will not share the reward as well. He promises to help sergeant by sitting on the barrel and keeping an eye on the side of harbour. The two sits on the barrel and the conversation continues as they keep an eye on the water. The man then sings a famous Irish folklore and the sergeant asks him to stop singing the song because it is unsuitable to the times. Then the man again sings one more patriotic ballad. It reminds the sergeant that as a young man he used to sing this with his friends. The man this way appeals to the sergeant's patriotism. He tells him that the escaped prisoner also might be his friend in his youth. The sergeant at the end agrees that he was also the nationalist in his youth, like the wanted prisoner. He also had nationalist spirit. The sergeant also admits that if he would not become policeman for the sake of his family, he might have become nationalist and might have escaped from the jail. Suddenly, they hear the sound of boat approaching, and the man begins to sing a patriotic ballad again. The sergeant understood. The sergeant recognizes that the man is the escaped prisoner himself. He tries to stop him. The man takes off his wig and hat and gives it to sergeant and requests the sergeant not to betray him. When both the policemen comes after posting all the placards, he tells them to leave. The sergeant tells them to leave because he has seen no one there. There is no need to stop here, and he wanted the place to be quiet. When the policeman went away, the man who was hiding inside the barrel comes out of it and walks towards the steps. He also expresses his gratitude to sergeant and assures him that one day Ireland will be a free country, like rising of the moon. The man disappears, and the sergeant only thinks whether he is a fool to give up the reward and let him go. Let us discuss the theme of the drama. The major theme of Rising of the Moon is national identity. The ragged man reminds sergeant of his lost identity by singing an Irish nationalist ballad. It also displays the loyalty of sergeant towards England. His job obligates him to be loyal to English government.